Good afternoon to all of you in Ravi Sir Super 50 YouTube channel. This video is IBPS PO interview related video and SBI PO interview related video of video sequence 1, because in the first video I told you guys about the state related questions for interview purpose, and in this video I will told you what is the importance of newspaper, what is the importance of geopolitics, national and international current affairs in interview. Guys, just try to read day wise newspaper, because approximately 2 months was over. 1st of November the IBPS PO mains was held, so start reading newspaper, because IBPS PO mains result declare at any time, okay, within 1 day, 2 days, within a week, okay, and after 10 to 12 days they will declare they will start the interview process. So those students who are start preparation of newspaper, banking, current affair, their subject related questions, they are ahead. Okay, front page, editorial page and business page are most important. If you guys want to read the article which are important for interview, daily visit at 10 a.m. in my YouTube community section. You guys will find the front page, editorial page and business page articles headline which are important for interview purpose. I am posting on daily basis. If you are any query, text me on my number 7503235358. I know that you guys are reading the newspaper, but some of guys are not reading newspaper, and newspaper reading is very very important. So try to check the front page important article, editorial page important article and business page important article from my YouTube community section, because some of the students are wasting their time, wasting their knowledge in irrelevant articles, and they are not able to choose the important article which are related for the interview purpose. So if any current affairs related to your particular state, your native place and your area, India related news and international issues, just try to be aware with these articles. It is important for the interview. Same thing in Hindi. गाइस 5 नवंबर को IBPS PO मेंस हुआ था, तकरीबन 2 महीने हो चुके हैं, रिजल्ट कभी भी डिक्लेयर हो सकता है. मैं अपना वीडियो के पहले सीक्वेंस में स्टेट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन जो इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं उसका वीडियो मैंने बनाया था. इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को बता रहा हूं कि न्यूज़पेपर को कैसे पढ़ना है, कैसे न्यूज़पेपर इंटरव्यू के पर्पस के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो गाइज आप डेली सुबह 10 बजे के बाद या मॉर्निंग में अगर आप चेक करेंगे तो आपको 10 से 12 के बीच में या उससे पहले भी डेली कम्युनिटी सेक्शंस में फ्रंट पेज, एडिटोरियल पेज और बिजनेस पेज के जो इम्पोर्टेंट आर्टिकल्स हैं वो दिखेंगे और आपको वही तकरीबन पढ़ने हैं. इससे आपको एक बेनिफिट मिलेगा कि आपका टाइम वेस्ट उन आर्टिकल्स में नहीं होगा जो इरेलीवेंट हैं. यानी आपको लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट जो आर्टिकल्स है, जो चूजी आर्टिकल्स हैं, स्टेट से रिलेटेड, सेंटर से रिलेटेड, इंटरनेशनल इशू से रिलेटेड, अगर आपके स्टेट का कोई न्यूज़ है तो उसको ज़रूर देखना है और इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स पे 2 लाइन 4 लाइन लिखना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. ओके गाइज, करंट अफेयर्स की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि पैनल रीसेंट का करंट अफेयर्स पूछता है. ये पीओ मेंस नहीं है कि पिछले 4 महीने की, जो भी अभी करंट अफेयर्स के न्यूज़ में है. जैसे आज का पेपर का इंपॉर्टेंट आप जाके देख सकते हैं, मैंने ऑलरेडी पोस्ट कर दिया है अपने यूट्यूब के कम्युनिटी सेक्शंस पे. तो नॉट वेट फॉर द रिजल्ट, स्टार्ट डेली करंट अफेयर्स. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट वीडियो, जस्ट ट्राई टू चेक द फर्स्ट वीडियो, स्टेट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन ईयर, एंड just try to read the daily newspaper according to the important point of front page, editorial page and business page from my YouTube channel community sections. You guys are seeing the live session as well as recorded session of the success story of RRB PO, and my well wishes with you guys for your mains result. And after that SBI and IBPS conduct their PO interview. In SBI GD and GE is also there. Then we will conduct the GD and GE. If you want to check my playlist channel, just go and check there. It is useful and helpful for you. So don't avoid the current affairs because they want to know you have the idea of that related current affairs or not. So just try to write 4 or 5 lines about each and every article so that you are aware of that article, what is the purpose, what is the objective and what is the current affairs. If you have the any query related to interview, my number is 7503235358. Within 4 days, 5 days, as soon as the IBPS PO declared their result, I will announce a batch. Batch timing is 12:30. Date will announce soon. after result, and fee is very nominal for classes as well as mock. And I am here for the working students also according to their time availability after their office. If you are in the clerical post, I will ask you related to your profile related question and all. And the language of interview is not a barrier. I will ask in the English as well as in Hindi language, because I have lots of students from all over India. So get in touch with me if you want a very good score. If you want that sir will give you a particular time for you, I am always there for you guys, because I need the selection of you guys. Thanks a lot. Jai Ma Saraswati.